Hi everybody, welcome to Fun Friday Drawing with Mr. Jason. That is me. Today we are going to draw a request from Mr. Johnson's class. We are going to draw a Paw Patrol character. We're going to draw Chase, he's the police dog. As with any of our drawings, you're going to need a pencil, an eraser, a piece of paper. Today we're going to be drawing portrait, so it's going to be taller than it is wide. If you color it later, you'll need something with which to color. Crayons, markers, colored pencils, pastels, whatever you have is suitable. I also wanted to remind you that this is for fun, so you can customize it, which means you can change things if you want. It does not have to look exactly like mine. I've been drawing for a long time. So if I draw something that might look a little bit better than you might be able to do, just give yourself a little patience and practice. You will get there. But more than anything, we're doing this for fun. So let's just do that and draw Chase from the Paw Patrol. I'm going to move my pencil because I'm going to use a marker so you can see it easier. I'm going to move my eraser to the green zone, Snoopy, because I'm in a great mood, happy to draw with you today. And let us begin. We're going to start with Chase's head. We're going to start up in this top part of the paper. We're going to draw a curved line from the neck out to his cheek. So we're going to draw just a curved line, just like that. Almost looks like a kind of a decorative S if you were on Broadway or some other theater perhaps. Then we're going to draw a straight line up just a little bit. And then from there we're going to draw his left ear. It's going to be a curved line that goes to a point. And then it's going to come back down about halfway. See how we went up all this distance and we just come down about half the distance. We're going to draw a police hat in the middle here. And we'll start that now. Come back down to this bottom part of the ear. And we're going to draw a curved line across. Then above that curved line, a straight line. Above that straight line, another straight line just right on top. Come up to the ear. Straight line there, straight line here. And we're going to connect them with a high arching curved line. On this side, we're going to draw Chase's other ear. It's going to be a little bit different, not identical. We're going to draw a curved line out to the side. And then we're going to come back down. It looks pretty similar, but not identical. Actually, going to bring it back a little bit closer to the hat. Straight line down. Try to line it up with that cheek. And curve line out. And back in. We have a little work to do. We're going to draw his collar. Draw a straight line. I'm going to pause for a second and get a new pen. This one's running out. Alright. Think happy thoughts. Okay, now that we're fully rested, we're going to draw a vertical line up and down. Another vertical line up and down on this side. And then we're going to come across. Okay, now we're going to draw Chase's face. We're going to start down here in this area between these cheeks. We're going to draw his chin, and it's going to be a simple curved line. Then we're going to move up, draw a dot, and then another curved line. Now, above this curved line here, we're going to draw his nose, kind of like a rounded triangle. I'm going to go ahead and color this because we're going to leave just a little uncolored spot near the top of the nose. Hoping you can see that, how he left just a little spot open. And next to his nose he has a couple whisker dots on each side. I'm going to draw two curved lines. I'm going to come across, up over in a semicircle from both eyes. Inside of the shape, some circles. And then inside of those circles, letter C. Now, we have a little curve line going up to his nose. Now we have to draw some of the colored fur that he has. So we're going to come to the neck, draw a line going up like that, a curved line on the other side. We're going to come back up here, come in a little bit, curve up towards the hat, come in, curve up towards the hat, and from the hat come down to the nose. And inside this area here, we're going to draw some eyebrows. These are just curved lines. Inside his ears, we're going to draw places he can hear with. That's not a bad chase head if you ask me. In his hat, we're going to draw a straight line, curved line all the way down, curved line all the way down, and we're going to draw the dog badge. Circle, circle, circle. And then it's going to look kind of like a bean, maybe a kidney bean shape. I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see what I mean. So that's sort of like a kidney bean shape. There you go. Now we're going to draw his body. We're going to start up where we finish here with the neck and draw a curved line that comes down. We're going to draw another curved line. This will be his back leg. At the bottom of this shape, we're going to draw a big round shape. But at the bottom, right here, a gentle wavy line with 3 waves. And a curved line coming up for the toes. Coming up back towards the shoulder, we're going to draw a line that comes down, curve around the top. We'll pause there for a moment, and then come back down. And a big curved line with a slight wave. This will also have some curves. Connect those. Connect those. Then off to the side of this foot, we're going to draw a diagonal line, and another diagonal line, and connect those, and a curved line back to the neck. Here, you see how it's just under this diagonal portion? Straight line down. And another big paw. And a baby line at the bottom. And make some toes. Now on all three of these legs that we can see, we're going to draw a fur. These are just zigzags. Zigzag a little bit of the back leg there. Up here. Oops. See how we have this diagonal line here? We're going to do a curved line around this arm, so that each of them has that kind of shoulder decoration. We're going to draw a straight line here, curved line here, curved line back up to the top. For Chase's badge on his chest, where he has a star, we're going to draw an angle. And then from that angle, straight line all the way to the side, and a straight line all the way to the side. Now we're going to draw a diagonal line, down and back to the side, and down, back to the side. Now we're going to just draw another angle, and we have a star. You see the top of his foot here? This is how he puts on his uniform. We have to draw a curved line that goes to the bottom of the star, and from the top of the star to his collar. That's his zipper for his uniform. He's got a pocket over here on the side. Just draw a rectangle. And then 2 buttons. And then the last thing, well, nope, that's not completely true. There's a couple last things. He's got his stripes over here that shows his rank. We'll draw angle, goes up and down, straight line, and then a curved line. You see this shape here, how it goes up and down? We're going to copy it. Do it again. And we're going to do it again. And then we're going to do it one more time. So we go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and a circle. That's his rank. And then we need his tail. And then we're just about done. Let's draw a curved line. Bring it back. And then a zigzag for the fur color. And we have drawn Chase from the Paw Patrol. We're going to draw a line showing the ground so he's not floating in space. Draw a line till you get to the dog and stop. Imagine that you're drawing, but keep your pen up. Then when you get to the other side, finish the line. I'm going to stop here and let you use your imagination to fill out the rest of this scene. Where is Chase? Is he at a big, huge party that's celebrating some big crime that he's solved? Is it a big gathering of all of his friends, the other members of the Paw Patrol? You could draw them if you'd like, but I'm going to leave it open. You've got some space to make this drawing your own. You get to decide. So that is Paw Patrol for this Fun Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have suggestions, please let your teacher know. They will forward that to me, and I'll try to make it happen. And keep drawing. We'll see you next week.